What you got there?
New set of wheels.
She came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
And we're back with more E36 content. Jordy picked up wheels on our way home from Glenbrook, and we're gonna wash them, sand them down, make them look nice.
Whoever leaves power washers connected, off.
What are you using there?
Good stuff, even though they don't send us a box yet.
It's okay.
Good form.
Let's wash these bitches.
Little worker bee. She's gonna give me a rim job. Come on, that was pretty funny.
That was pretty funny.
Yeah, we're gonna wash and try and sand out the rash because but it's not the worst in the world.
It's going on the drift car anyways.
Yeah, exactly. So it doesn't matter. This is the worst of it. This one kind of sucks, but the rest are just like surface and not crazy deep, so it's fine.
Putting my back into it.
Okay, copious amounts of cleaning we got to the back, but it's still dirty, so we're still trying to clean them even more.
We're spraying it and letting it sit. Alright, we went to Burger King real quick, and now we are back sanding.
Definitely need a more coarse sandpaper. It's just 180 for now, but we gotta get like 80 grit.
80 grit. Obviously not going to record this part because it is time consuming and it's honestly not fun to watch. Instead, I'm going to watch my show.
The next morning.
Oh, I love it already.
Alright, so here's the job.
Where is Tom? Tom, where are you?
Oh my god. Tom, your old friend is here. What's up, dude?
Happy birthday!
Alright, what is happening?
I don't know. Yeah! The feather's getting stuck in his mouth. Yes. And the best part of Tom's birthday, the dip I made.
Dip.
So as you can see, Tom is here, but he does not have Jordy's surprise.
I'm gonna be pretending to paint paint.
Continue cleaning, girl.
Before we got rudely interrupted.
Yep.
Jordy, do you want to tell them what the surprise is? Or do you want to keep them guessing?
Waiting because I don't know when I'm getting it, even though I bought it and paid for it.
Next time we will have E36 content, but for now, we got Tom's car here. Now I'm not gonna get majority of this build progress on the channel, but Jimmy is. Speak of the man himself. Here we go.
Let Kai degrease it, and then she puts all her sweaty fingers all over it.
Mm-hmm.
My sweaty fingers, look at yours.
I got a pick on her somehow. Thank you, Kai.
You're welcome.
Oh, we're making a TikTok or something right now?
No, I was vlogging. No, that's gonna be a TikTok.
You're doing it wrong.
Get a little skirt on.
Give me a second, just like this. I've been a nasty girl, nasty.
I ain't been nasty.
All right, let me get in here. Small lifted on my wheels. I did from here to here. Deep as fuck, but polish it out, don't really care. This one, probably the worst of it. That one's not bad. The one under it's okay. And then the one under that is the one with the dent, but I don't care about the dent. We're just gonna try and sand it out as best as we can, repolish it, good to go.
Yeah, this is definitely the worst wheel out of them all, so take a good look. Oh my god.
A Florida sand spider.
Day is never finished. Master got me working. Someday Master set me free.
And I am in charge of wire wheeling. I love that the gorilla's feathers are still on the floor. I'm exhausted. See you guys tomorrow. Good morning. We're back and tasked with bitch work again. Okay, cleaning Tom's interior.
Everything.
Everything.
Now let's get to work.
And voila. Oh. So they are back to filming installing Chase Bay parts because Chase is here and we are going to pick up some pizza.
Chase from Chase Base, is that you?
I didn't know his name was actually Chase.
I didn't either.
This sucks.
The bay looks nice at least. Tom's gonna start it.
Haven't tested a damn thing. Like literally.
Another night in the books. See you guys again tomorrow. Day 4 of Tom activities and we stopped at Goodwill. All right.
Another day, another Dunkin' run.
I got bitch work again. Quiet down over there. Taking a break from being Tom's bitches because me and Jordy made a bet. I'm gonna beat him in a foot race and the winner, well the loser buys the winner ice cream.
I'm winning regardless.
You're losing. Kaylee's gonna record us.
Yes, gotcha.
The edge of Jamie's shop right there?
Like where the tire is?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we'll do to the
Edge of the trailer.
Down to the trailer.
Cool.
Alright, we gotta walk over there. Ah, come on.
And I hurt me.
Thoughts? How'd it go? I lost. I owe Jordy ice cream.
Soft vanilla with rainbow sprinkles is gonna taste even better.
And Tom's going home. He'll be back Friday. Maybe he'll have Jordy's surprise, but maybe not. We had a great weekend regardless, helping out.
You fucking better have what I bought.
That's between you, him, and God. I have nothing to do with that. As promised, I lost the race, so I owe Jordy ice cream. So we're on our way to the ice cream place.
Yeah, but they don't have soft serve.
You know what, Jordy? Suck it up, cupcake. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.